So we just pulled the car off the dyno, put it on the ramp to just finish off a couple of little bits underneath it. The car's making 274 brake horsepower at the front wheels, which equates to 301 at the clutch. Let's get across to Cadwell and have some fun. Right, so here we are, Cadwell Park. We've not actually managed to do a huge amount to the Golf. All we've done so far is some suspension work. We've got the BC coilovers on. We've had the geometry done. We're running 2.5 degrees of camber on the back, 1.5 degrees at the front. We're running 8 kilogram springs. Brakes haven't arrived in time for this track day, so we're still running the stock brakes. They've had a bit of a service. We're running new fluid. And we're running some suspension bushes, Powerflex bushes on the front and the back, and just test out the suspension, see what it's like. At the moment we're about 16 clicks out on all the suspension, the compression and the rebound. We might try and tighten that up as the day goes along. So a little bit disappointing at Cadwell. The brakes just gave up on us really. Join us in the next episode to see what we can do to sort that out. We do hope you like what we're bringing to you. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. It'll keep you posted when the next video is available.